Alright, I bought the Dollar Shave Club razor blade for men to see what all the hype was all about. As you can see right here, it comes in this box right here. So this is the Dollar Shave Club 6 blade. So they one up the leading razors in the industry by adding an extra blade. So this is 6 blades, the most I've seen. Outside of this has been 5 blades. Alright, that's the max, alright, that I've seen. So it's 6 blade for each cartridge, and it says for an extra close shave. One handle comes in this box right here, as well as 2 cartridges. Precision trimmer, flexible razor head, wrap around diamond grip. So I'm assuming that's the wrap around diamond grip. See that in a second. On the back, they say handle and cartridges not compatible with executive and 4X razor models. So this right here is not compatible with, I guess, other models that they have to offer. We'll see about this once we open it up. All right, so let's go ahead and get opening up with this right here. Just open it from the top, make it drop. All right, so, and open this up right here and pull this out. And so let's see what's going on right here. So you have the razor right here. It says, welcome to the club. I guess I'm in the club now, the Dollar Shave Club. The back, it just falls out. So this is like rather flimsy plastic right here, but let's see what's going on. So we take that out. And here are the razors. They come in this plastic cartridge right here. Let's look at the actual razor itself. Now, I'm looking at the cartridges, and I used to buy Gillette, and Gillette, the cartridges came in a little bit firmer plastic than this right here. This is, I don't know if they're trying to cut on cost or what's the deal is, but all right, anyway, so this is the 360 diamond, what do they call that? The 360 diamond grip, no slip sliders right here. And yes, I can see how this is non-slip. There's plenty of grip on the handle right here for both down at the bottom and up top for a little bit more control when you're shaving. To dismount, we have this right here, or mount on. I'm gonna go ahead and put a razor on here and see how this moves around a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the razor. I'm just gonna simply slide it into place. The razor like this, slide it into place. Doesn't necessarily click into place, so let me go ahead and press this first. Alright, so I pressed this and slid it into place, and now I'm going to pull it out. And so it's attached right there. So there's a little trick to getting this on. So as far as pivoting, it just goes backwards right here, and which I think is cool. And just looking at the razor itself, there's this gel thing right here. So when it gets wet, this forms a gel with this hard blue part right here, and it's able to give you a more comfortable shave, supposedly. At the bottom is some grip similar to what I've seen on Gillette and other razors, where it's supposed to actually tug on the hairs a little bit before the hairs meet the razor blade, giving it a cut. So I'm guessing the tug on the hairs is supposed to pull them a little bit out from the surface of the skin before it gets mowed down from the razor blades. And come in a little close so you can see the razor blades. So that's 6 blades right there. All right, so 6 blades to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So there's 6 blades on there. So this is the razor right here. Dollar Shave Club unboxing. I hope it was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.